So we can enter some memory access sequence to see what happens if this cache is used. Now, we can enter some numbers. So suppose that
I'm starting today's vlog in a taxi. As you can see, that's because it's 15 past 2 and my Shanghai train leaves at 3. I managed to communicate with the taxi driver that my train leaves at 3 and we need to hurry. So basically I have 45 minutes to get to the Beijing South railway station, but it takes around 1 hour according to Google Maps. Looks like we chose the shortest route, which is also the busiest route. Look. Oh god. I mean, this is just typical me. I packed all my stuff, and on the way out, I got a taxi, and I forgot my passport. So I went back, and once I came up, there was literally no taxi for 10 to 15 minutes. So it's we have like 30 minutes left and we are on halfway there. Yeah, the driver is pretty much doing all he can to go there fast as we can, so thumbs up, but let's see what happens at the end. It's definitely not what I wanted. We're stagnating here. Alright, small update. As you can probably guess, I didn't make it to the train. I didn't expect the security check to be that long, and I had to exchange my e-ticket to actual ticket. The good news is that I managed to exchange the ticket for new one that leaves in 1 hour, so good news and bad news. Anyway, I'm having a noodle now, and I'm also a couple hours late from the actual schedule, but yeah, I can eat with my own time and hop into the train. Lesson learned. God damn, that was a long ride.
他已经帮你 cancel 掉了。
Cancel?
哎，因为它时间是 time is 6.
But I said
6 o'clock.
Where do I even begin? I arrived Shanghai 2 to 3 hours late, and when I arrived to my hotel, the reception basically canceled my reservation. So what happened was 6 o'clock was the latest check-in time, and after that they are open, and after that I lost my single room reservation, so now I have 2 beds here, Anyway, there is a reason why I came to Shanghai. So tomorrow will be a very exciting day. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Go to sleep. I'll wake up very early tomorrow. So see you tomorrow.